What's up, everybody? So today I wanted to introduce my new company. The new company is called Profectus Homes, and the plan is to buy single-family homes, and some of them we will be renovating and flipping, some of them we will be renovating and renting, and some of them will be just aggregating them together in bulk to sell to institutional buyers. So our main market that we're going to focus in is Tucson, and so today we've got our first deal locked up. And I'm going to meet up with Austin. We're going to drive down to Tucson. We're going to walk it. I'm going to show you guys the property. And then after we walk through and look at the property, then I'll take you guys through my underwriting of how I underwrote this deal and why I think it's a deal and what our plan is for it. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and let's dive into the day. You ready for the vlog or what?
So ready.
It's been a while since you've vlogged.
I know, man.
You were a hit last time.
No wonder your views have gone down.
Alright, dude, come on, man. That was fucked up. I'm editing that out. Put my seatbelt on. Yeah, I figured since we're going to be buying this property, we should probably go down and see it. And I'm jamming out to San Diego for Randall's bachelor party, so by the time I come back, the inspection period will be over and our earnest money will be non-refundable. So at least this way we'll get in, we could write up a scope of work. What that means is basically we're just gonna like list out all the renovations that it needs. So like how much flooring, cabinets, countertops, things like that. And then we can start sending it out with pictures and videos and the scope of work to get bids from contractors. And then that'll give us a better idea of our returns. Because when we wrote our offers and we did our underwriting, it was just an estimate.
Yo, is that a fucking T-Rex outside of the McDonald's right there?
I think Tucson's rocking a T-Rex.
Nah,
Oh, we got it. That's a damn T-Rex.
Oh.
That's a damn T-Rex. Popping into the complex here, we got a little dog walker. We got one of the largest residential pools in Tucson. All right, this is what happens when you first walk in. AC's cranking. Tile's in decent shape, so I think we'd probably keep this. It's got vaulted ceilings. Cabinets look like they're pretty good. Carpet's missing off the stairs, but not a big deal. Missing a door here. Cabinets look good. Appliances look good. Kitchen looks good. Washer dryer and unit, that's big. Carpet needs to go for sure. Something here. Stripper pole maybe? Is that what you think? Is that a stripper pole, you think?
Oh, shit.
That was a stripper pole, huh? Good, good. Looks like they're trying to clean the carpets, but that's a hopeless case. I wouldn't waste too much time cleaning the carpets. New closet doors, new fans.
Ex-boyfriend tried to get in through there.
Yeah, probably. So we're gonna need a new sliding glass door, I think, here. At least there's a security gate, but so bedroom's decent, and then looks like we got a bathroom here. Bathroom's already done. I don't even think we need to remodel the bathroom. Yeah, I mean, it needs a good cleaning, maybe a new toilet. Get some pictures one down of the stairs and stuff.
I already did.
Popping upstairs. Looks like this is kind of like a loft master. So, looks over to the living room. Bathroom. Shower just needs a good clean, but it's in pretty decent shape. Walk-in closet. Dude, this is a banger. New ceiling fan. Smoke detectors, light. Maybe window coverings, or we just take the window coverings down, let the next guy do it. But new light fixtures. So it's a little dark in here, but I wanted to wrap up the day today. So the underwriting for this property is as follows. So the asking price from the seller for this property was $139,900, so basically $140,000. And you guys saw the condition of the property. It looks rougher than it is, at least in my opinion. I think it's a pretty clean property, and since it's a condo, you're not gonna have to worry about too many major utilities. A lot of the stuff that we're gonna be doing is going to only be cosmetic, and a lot of the big ticket items that are cosmetic are already taken care of. So a majority of the flooring is already updated tile, and a majority of the bathroom, the showers already have updated showers with tile surrounds. So if you give those tubs a good cleaning and clean off that glass and get all the oxidation off of that glass, I think those showers can look really nice. Also, the vanities were upgraded, and they have the, you know, sinks on top with upgraded faucets and everything. And so really, I think some of the things that need to be addressed are some of the, you know, deferred maintenance or some of the damage that was done by the current owner. So the front door and the door jamb need to be replaced. I estimate that's probably gonna be between $500 and $1,000. And then the back sliding glass door that goes out to the patio, the glass on that is broken, so that also needs to be replaced. So that's gonna be somewhere between $500 and $1,000. And then the stairs is missing carpet. And then the upstairs carpet and the bedroom carpet, they are probably past the point of no return, but also there was a cigarette smoke smell in there. So to address that, we're definitely gonna wanna get rid of the carpet and pad. We're gonna wanna give it a deep clean, and then also we might hire somebody to clean the AC vents. We'll get an ozone machine in there to run and filter things out. And then lastly, we'll paint the entire unit with Kills paint, and that should take care of it. So paint is probably gonna be around $1,500 is my guess. So new carpet in that place. If we really go all out, I think we're probably around $1,000. So between all of that so far, we're probably at $5,000 or $6,000. And so when you add in fixtures and, you know, different knick-knack fixes here and there, I think we're for sure gonna end up under $10,000. So my guess is we're gonna spend $8,000 or $9,000 on that remodel. And then from there, I looked at the comps, and since it's a condo, it's typically pretty easy to find the comparable properties that have sold to get a value on what the after renovation value is gonna be on this. And so I looked over the last 6 months, and the further back you go, the lower the prices are gonna go in this kind of market that's moving so quickly. So I tried to look at the most recent comps, and there's two really recent comps that are model matches. So they're 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and they're the same exact square footage in the same complex. One sold for $170 and one sold for $173,500. And both of those were in, you know, they were both very clean condition from the photos, but they needed some work as far as updating. Like some of them had very classic looking tiles and flooring and different finishes like that. So I think if we target a exit price of 180 or 185 with this property being fully remodeled, I think that it's realistic, especially with the market moving the way it is. The other thing about this property that makes it pretty sweet is we have an August 31st close date. So we're a month and a half out from closing. So we're gonna only have earnest money out on this. We're not gonna have any of our equity out. And I think the property values are gonna continue to improve in Tucson over the next month and a half. So that's buying us some more appreciation. And so by the time this project finishes, I think we'll be probably close to the end of October. So hopefully we can get this sold just before Thanksgiving. And I believe if we sell it for 180 or 185 and we put $8,000 to $10,000 in this property with a cost basis of 140, I expect to make anywhere between $15,000 and $25,000. And the total equity out on this is gonna be probably between $30,000 and $40,000. So it's a pretty good return over a couple of months. So we'll continue to follow this property, and we'll continue to follow the future ones that we pick up. But our plan is to ramp up to about 8 to 10 homes a month that we're actually purchasing. In addition to that, I'm sure we'll be, you know, buying and selling some others, but we want to be purchasing 8 to 10 homes a month. So if you have any questions on this kind of stuff, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of this deal, and if we should buy it or not. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It helps out the channel huge. And then also drop a like on the video. If you drop a like on the video, it lets YouTube know that I'm doing my job and I'm making videos that you guys want to see. Definitely appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for the next one.
Your brain up. I'm just really trying to show you no love. Say you tired and you need a new love. Use what you got for your lose love. See new things with your views up. Yeah, what you want, new things.